This is how to create an album in Google Photos. So let's get started. If you haven't already, open Google Photos on your phone and then click on the plus button that's on top. Then here select Album, and we have to give a name to this album. So just select Add a Title and you can enter the name. After that, you can add a description if you want to. And the next step is to start adding photos into the album. So just click on Select Photos, and this is our entire gallery. So from here, just select whichever photos you want to add. So I've selected these 3 photos for now, and I'll click on Add. And as you can see, they've come here. Then we can decide the album cover. So on top you'll find this option, and if you click on Edit, then we can choose which image we want as the album cover. Then we have some options related to the images. So if you want to sort them on a certain order, click on the button on the top right, and we can sort based on these options. After that, if you want to add a location, you can click on the location button at the bottom right, and from here, you can enter the location. So these are all of the settings related to the album. And the last thing to know is if you want to share this with others. So first, just click on the tick on the top left, and now the album is created. And to share this with others, just click on the share icon that's at the bottom left, and you can decide how you want to share. So if you want to share directly in Google Photos, then below you'll find this option of a contact with the Google Photos logo. But they also have other methods like a link or QR code. My personal favorite is a link. So for this, click on Get Link, then select Create Link, and now the link is created. So all you have to do is share this link with others, and once they click on it, they'll see your entire album. There's one more thing you can control, and that's if others can contribute to this album. So if you want to change that, click on the share icon. After that, scroll to the right and click on Options. And here we can decide the following options. So if you want others to collaborate, then you can enable the first option. And they have other settings like comments and likes, and to share photo locations. And then just click on Done. And if I go back, then come to Collections. And here you'll find albums. So click on this, and we can see our album has come here. So this is basically how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.